Hi everyone, it's Tammy and I have a haul for you from Hobby Lobby. So if you guys watched my vlog that I posted hopefully just a couple of days ago, then you know what I'm talking about. But if not, I went to Hobby Lobby for some vinyl because I am working on some shirts and they had vinyl. That was the Paper Studio on sale for half off. So I did get my vinyl and I ended up getting a bunch of white. And they were $14.99 originally, so they were half off. So I got white, red, black, some sparkly gold, and some sparkly pink. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 rolls of that. So that accounted for a good portion of my money. So I got that. So that is one of the things. But then I ended up spending a total of about $236. So, you know that I got a lot more than just vinyl. So I have a few bags down here. Let's just get started. Well, this bag only has bags in it, so that's not too bad. It has, well, that's not true. It had one more thing. But I have 3 of these, and they are sacks and things. They're 5 1/4 by 8 1/2 by 3. You get 12 of them. And my daughter is a student teacher, as I have said in a lot of videos lately. I feel like I'm saying that all the time. And it's just because I'm so proud of her. And she is letting me do some goodie bags for the kids for Halloween and for Christmas. So this is going to be, I think, their bag for Christmas. And I'm going to decorate it a little bit, of course. But I thought that would be cute. So there is that. And then also in that bag was some of these double-sided like foam dots. And this is from the Papery shop. I don't know if you can see that. I think you can. I think that this is going to be their new Paper Studio. So that's why they're getting rid of all of the Paper Studio and they're putting this brand out. So when the Paper Studio is on sale for 50% off, it apparently does not include the Papery shop. So just be careful of that. But I kind of knew that when I was purchasing because they are pretty particular about their sales, but you know, they have such great sales that it's okay that they're particular. So I got these anyway just because I wanted them. I needed some more dots. Okay. Are you ready? So I said that she was going to let me do some things for Christmas and for Halloween. And this one, it has 24 boxes, which is exactly how many students I need. And they are 3D gingerbread house kit. So it makes 24 of these cute little gingerbread men, or gingerbread houses. And it comes with the house and then a set of stickers for each kid. And then each kid is going to have to glue it together. So I'm going to have to make sure she has glue. But I thought that would be a fun project. And I think if I'm careful, I can fit it into those white bags. I think. So that is for the kids for Christmas. I found these for Katie. I thought these would be really cute just in her, in a care package for her. I thought those were adorable. I'm trying to put things in different areas so I'll know where they all are. I found this ribbon, which I needed for my presents. I just thought it was beautiful. So, and all of their Christmas stuff was 40% off. So these were $7.99, but they were 40% off. And then I also got jumping character kits. I thought I'd go ahead and put these together because there are a lot of pieces for these. And I got enough for 24, so I got 4 bags, and there's 6 in each bag. They were $3.99, but I thought it was kind of cute. It has the little spring and everything, so you can make them little jumping characters. And I thought second graders would probably like that. So I'm going to keep those in the same bag, and I'm going to put those down there, and I might need to get into that again. I don't know. And then I found this. It is half off. It was the Paper Studio Hello Lovely Paper Crafting Kit. I just thought it was really cute. I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to do with it, but it has all of these stickers and letter stickers and designer paper. So it's really cute, and rhinestones, and I love the little unicorn. And there's a whole 2 pages of designer paper that has that on there. So I don't know, I thought it was really cute, and I got that. I also found this, and I had to get it because it was on clearance. Isn't that cute? I thought I could put a picture of the girl gang in there. It was $5.49. So I might just put either me and Katie, or me and Lisa and Ellen and Tracy in here, or something like that. Or maybe me and Lisa and Tracy and Ellen and Katie. That would be cute. For $5.49. I couldn't let it stay there, so I got that. I also got some craft envelopes and cards just because I like them. And these are 4 by 5.5, so these are a little bit bigger than an A2 size card, but it was the only one that was $6.99. All of the other ones, because they were the Paper Studio, but they were a different packaging, they were $8.99. So these were $6.99 and half off. So I thought, well, I'm going to go ahead and grab them while they were so inexpensive. So I did. Put that in the bag right now, or for right now. Trying to separate things. Looks like I have 3 more bags. Oh yeah, I bought Katie something cute. Gosh. Okay, so I got this, and it holds 2 pictures or whatever. And I think what I'm going to do, and I thought it was cute with the wood. I'm not sure if I like the gray. I might change it, but I might leave it because I'm not sure what color the kids want. But I am going to do a print of Indiana and a print of Missouri, and put like a little yarn or string between the 2 with a heart, because Katie and David have a long distance relationship right now. One is in St. Louis, one is in, well, she's at Taylor University in Marion, Indiana, or Upland, Indiana. So I'm going to do something like that. And I thought this was really cute. And all of their frames were half off. So this was $10. And it was the only one they had like this. And I'm not sure if I am crazy about the color. And now I'm finding some of the stuff is sticking out the side. But that's okay. I think it'll be fine. So I'm going to make that, and that will be a Christmas present for Katie. And I think I'm going to do this as a Christmas present for her too, or maybe, I don't know, maybe as a care package gift. But you can take the top off, and it says Choose Happy, and it's a big mug that will hold a can of soup or some homemade soup or whatever. You can microwave it, you can bake in it, you can store it, and you can freeze in it. And it has a nice lid that fits on very tightly, and it has a vent in the lid. So I don't know, I thought that was cute, and it was $8.99, and it wasn't on sale, so I used my coupon on it. And then I don't know, it has a little thing in here. I don't know what that's supposed to do, but you can move, it has like little numbers on it. I don't know, I just noticed that, and a little arrow, and you can move that. I don't know what that's supposed to do. I'm not sure. So, I don't know. I think she'll like this, so I got that for her. Looks like I only have 2 more bags, so I didn't do so bad. I found these, and I thought they were really cute. They are clothespins with little leaves on them. All of these were 40% off. And these gel clings, which I thought were adorable. I thought those could be for Katie. This I thought would also be for the kids' goodie bag, and it has different bookmarks, and I will just cut them and put one in each bag, and then they can color them. I thought that was really cute. And then I got some things for their Christmas, or for fall, and there's 12 in each, so I got 2 of these, and they were $2.99, but they were 40% off, and they're little activity pages. But, oops, that's not an activity page, but like it says connect the dots, and you can make like a piece of pie, but then you can color it in, and each one of them has their own little sheet of coloring paints, and you just add water to it, and it shows them using a Q-tip on it. Where did I see that? Oh, right there. So they can just color it with a Q-tip. So I might just grab a thing of Q-tips at the Dollar Tree next time I'm there. I didn't even think about that. Or maybe I'll just grab a handful of Q-tips from the bathroom upstairs and let them paint with those, unless they have paintbrushes. I don't know. I'll have to find out from Katie. But I thought that was really cute. I also found these stickers that I thought were really nice. I wanted to use those on some of my presents. I'm actually going to need to take one for now for something. And same with these. I need these for a project that I'm working on. I also found this, which I thought was interesting. This is a Punch It Anywhere. The transparent guide and aligned magnets offer easy affixing, exact positioning, and unlimited reach. So it's magnetic. Somehow it fits together. So you just put it wherever you want it. And this is a cute little shape. And it will punch that out of your page. So, and this was $24.99 normally, and it was on sale for $6.24. It was the only one they had, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to try that. So I went ahead and got that. I also found these hollies for 40% off, and these were 74 cents. I'm going to put these in Katie's teacher gift for when she graduates. I thought these were really cute, and she could find something to do with those in her classroom for sure. Oh, you know, I couldn't pass up these cute cats. And $1.99 plus 40% off, so they were adorable. They're like little puffy stickers. And they're cats in knitwear. Oh, that's gonna go down here. I have one of these, but I got a second one because I really like these leaves, and they were $1.99, and you get 12 pieces, and they're just really nice leaves, and you can just glue them on whatever you need. And then I needed some clear bags, and their bakery stuff was 30% off. So I got these that were 100 count, these that I think are 50 count, but they have a self-adhesive strip. And then these that are 25 count, but they're large kind of treat bags. So I don't know exactly what I'm going to use them all for, but I needed some for an idea that I have, and then I thought, well, you know what, I'm just going to go ahead and get all the sizes since they're on sale. I figured I'd use them. And I got some red and green ribbon for Lisa, and we're going to do some tag making, so I'm going to take those to the tag making session tonight. And that is tonight. But I don't know, it will have already done when you saw this, but I don't know if you will have seen it yet. Oh, I stuck the mail in here. I found these that I thought would be cute for the classroom's little goodie bag. They are just stickers, and it's Santa, the reindeer, a tree, and a present. And you get 180 pieces, so I figured each one could get one of each, and then I'd have some extras. Oh, I found this for Katie. I thought this was really neat. Perhaps this is the moment for which you have been created. And it's from Esther 4:14. Esther, woo, 4:14. And I thought this was really cute. And it's nice for a teacher, I thought. So I'm going to give that to her. Oh, these are for Thanksgiving projects for the class. And they're just fall turkeys. So they make these little turkeys with the feathers. And it comes with everything you need. So I thought that was really cute. Comes with tape and everything. Oh, and then I found this ribbon that I really like. That was $4.99 plus 40% off. And then for their Thanksgiving goodie bags too. I know, I'm getting crazy, but I thought these were adorable, and they were $4.99, and you get 24 of them. And you put it says, I'm thankful, so you color this however you want, I'm thankful for. And then it's like a piece of pie, and you can move it, and it comes with the brads and everything, and then there's different sections, and they write in here what they're thankful for. I thought that was really sweet. So I am going to do a goodie bag for them for fall. And gosh, that's everything, guys. So it's not as big of a haul as I kind of expected, but Yay! It's fun, and I think that Katie will get a kick out of it with her class. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope that you have a wonderful day, and I don't know, boo, happy Halloween. I forgot 2 things. One is this wonderfully scrumptious buffalo plaid that I think it's called Shepra, the little like woolly looking stuff. It is so wonderfully soft. It feels so good, and it was $20 with 40% off. And I think this is going to be for my son. I actually am expecting another one that's kind of the same, but I didn't realize, well, I did realize. I don't know which one is better quality, but I didn't realize that Hobby Lobby had them for about the same price that I could get them online at this other place that I can purchase some things. And so I'm not sure which one I will like better, but one is for me and one is for my son for Christmas. So I think that he will really like this. Actually, I might give it to him for his birthday so he can have it early. And then the other thing that I got that I totally forgot about but absolutely love is this. Oh my gosh. And I was thinking that I could put my Christmas cards in here. Like when I get them. Now, I don't get very many Christmas cards because people just don't send them very much. So I might even put some of my own Christmas cards in here, or whatever Christmassy thing I might want to put. Or maybe I could put like a little elf in here, or a snowman, and then some Christmas cards. I don't know. They had other sizes too, but I really liked this one. It was the biggest one, and it was $20, but it was 40% off. So I thought it was adorable. So that is that. Now that, I believe, is everything. Bye.